Apurva Jayachandran is joining us live right now. Probably one of Prime Minister Modi's fiercest attacks against the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi, where he says that I'm absolutely angry because what Sam Pitroda has said is not an insult to me because I can tolerate that. It's an insult to every Indian in the way that it was racist and it stereotyped each one of us.
That's right, Pauline. In fact, it's interesting to see, the kind of statements that has come out by Sam Pitroda and Prime Minister Modi there. He was addressing the rally today at Karimnagar, and he's gone on and also stated that not only is he shocked, but he's also, aghast at the kind of statements that have been made. He also goes on to state that this is Shehzad's advisor, and he's referring to Mr. Rahul Gandhi as Shehzad. And he also goes on to say that this is the kind of mindset that they have. That's what he's trying to imply, Prime Minister Modi, in his speeches. He also goes on to state that this is not just an attack on me, but it's also an attack on the Indians, and definitely I will not stand for it, and Modi, myself will be against these kind of such hateful statements, is what he's going on to say. These statements from Mr. Modi comes out here from Karimnagar in Warangal. Remember, he has been campaigning for Mr. Bunty Sanjay, the Telangana's Karimnagar MP candidate there for the BJP. And now Mr. Modi there, he's going on to state that these kind of words that have been used by, Sam there does not do justice to the people of India. And he also goes on to state that he is deeply hurt that Sam would like to go ahead and describe Indians in such a manner.
Apurva, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. Let's listen in one more time to what the Prime Minister said during his campaign rally in Telangana.
क्या हमारे देश में ये शहजादे, मैं बहुत गुस्से में हूं आज दोस्तों, मुझे कोई गाली दे मुझे गुस्सा नहीं आता है, मैं सहन कर लेता हूं, लेकिन आज शहजादे के फिलोसोफर ने इतनी बड़ी गाली दी है जिसने में गुस्सा भर दिया है। कोई मुझे बताइए, क्या मेरे देश में चमड़ी के रंग के आधार पर लोगों की योग्यता तय होगी? क्या चमड़ी के रंग का खेल शहजादे को किसने इजाजत दी है? संविधान सर पे लेकर के नाचने वाले लोग चमड़ी के रंग के आधार पर मेरे देशवासियों का अपमान कर रहे हैं।
Prime Minister said as he was campaigning in Warangal, he hit out at Rahul Gandhi and Sam Pitroda, saying Rahul Gandhi considers Sam Pitroda his philosopher, his mentor, his guide. Will he explain for the racist remarks? He will not tolerate the sort of remarks that Sam Pitroda has made against Indians. He's insulted them. This is racist. He has decided to determine an individual's nationality on the basis of their skin color. Now, Sam Pitroda's remark has once again stirred a political slugfest. While the Congress has again distanced itself from Pitroda's remarks, BJP now is demanding answers from the Grand Old Party over their Neta's comments. Listen in.
Northeast was a part of India and now is a part of India and will part of India remain. But they are trying to divide on religions, on physical anatomy, basis on China, this and that. Even they don't know the geographical background of India well. This kind of statements should be condemned by the whole people of the nation, and the INC should come out openly seeking apologies from the people of the nation. We should not excuse this kind of people, and the legal action should be initiated. From my side, from the northeastern side, we're going to file defamation and for insulting the community, Indian, calling as Chinese. So we highly condemn it, and I will sue against him.
कितना शर्मनाक है, वो देश को तोड़ने के अलावा, विभाजन करने की कोशिश के अलावा कांग्रेस दिशाहीन है, ना नेता है कोई, ना नेतृत्व है, ना नीति है या ना नियत है, कोई सकारात्मक सोच नहीं है, कोई विजन नहीं है, पूरी तरीके से हताश। कांग्रेस पिछली बार से भी आधी सीटों पे रह जाएगी, ऐसी स्थिति में अब उनके पास इस प्रकार के विवादित बयान के अलावा और कोई तरीका नहीं।
This is a very unfortunate statement, but I'm not surprised because in Congress party there are two persons, Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Sam Pitroda. These two people have a foreign thinking in their minds. They don't think like Indians. So this kind of bizarre statement coming from Sam Pitroda is not surprising, but it is unfortunate.
अब सैम पित्रोदा भारत को क्या समझते हैं, ये तो बार बार स्पष्ट हो रहा है कि वो फेलियर हैं, देश को नहीं समझते, राहुल गांधी के एडवाइजर हैं। अब मैं समझ गया कि राहुल गांधी इस तरह से अनाप शनाप क्यों बोलते हैं, इस पर क्या टिप्पणी की जाए। ये हार की हताशा है, न हिंदुस्तान समझते हैं न देश की विरासत समझते।
मिस्टर सैम जी, he is actually such a senior leader of the Congress party. I think in a very reality, he has brought out from his heart what the Congress party is actually intended in its whole vision to do. It is by being racist, it is by playing the role of a divisive party to divide the whole nation, and comparing the people of the Northeast to Chinese, and comparing the South Indians to Africans, and likewise to Arabs and all those things. I think he knows them better than he knows.
Not supporting him, why should we support? These are all, I have to take it jocularly, but people of his cadre should not speak like this. We are all Indians. Maybe racially there may be difference in every country, the world over we can see that racial difference among people. That is not to be criticized or made fun of. So it is wrong.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
के प्रॉक्सी प्रोफेसर है, उनकी इसी तरह की अज्ञानता और इसी तरह की बेवकूफ़ियों ने कांग्रेस जो कभी मुल्क की पार्टी थी मोहल्ले की महंगी बना दिया है। आज इसी अज्ञानता और इसी बेवकूफ़ी की वजह से पप्पू जो है वो पूरी तरह से हताशा और निराशा से भरपूर दिखाई पड़ रहे हैं। और इस तरह के पप्पू के प्राक्सी प्रोफेसर्स अपनी इस तरह की हरकतें दिखाएंगे और करेंगे तो निश्चित तौर से उनका क्या हश्र होगा इसका अंदाजा आप आसानी से लगा सकते।
This is not, a standoff statement by Mr. Sam Pitroda. It reflects the diseased and divisive mindset of the Congress party, and the Congress party owes an explanation. One should remember Mr. Rahul Gandhi ran away from Amethi and came to Wayanad in South India to contest, and see the kind of insult Mr. Sam Pitroda has heaped on all of us. I am a proud Indian and I come from South India, and I strongly object, and you see the kind of objections and the condemnation pouring all over the country. And if the Congress party's, time-tested, sinister strategies to distance themselves from anything atrocious which Mr. Sam Pitroda says, the people of Bharat are not going to, accept this.
सबसे पहले तो मैं उनकी बात से सहमत नहीं हूँ। उनके मुद्दे को देश का मुद्दा बनाना ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण रहेगा। देश के मुद्दे नॉर्थ हो, ईस्ट हो, वेस्ट हो या साउथ हो, देश के मुद्दे क्या है? आज देश का हर तरफ से जो युवा है बेरोजगार है, हर तरफ से महिला प्रताड़ित है, हर तरफ से जो पिछड़ा हुआ वर्ग है वो उम्मीद में जो बैठा हुआ था कि उनके अभी अच्छे दिन आएंगे, वो अच्छे दिन उनको मिले नहीं हैं। सैम पिट्रोडा अमेरिका में बैठकर क्या बयानबाजी दे रहे हैं? ना हमें उससे कोई लेना देना है, ना ये देश का मुद्दा है, और ना ये देश उनकी कही हुई बातों पे किसी तरीके का रिएक्शन देना चाहेगा।